I'm standing by for a potential short trade here in Kiwi dollar and a potential, I believe, long trade in dollar yen. I'll walk you through what I have trading here in a minute. Let me set up my charts here, or finish setting up my charts here, and we'll get into that. So right now setting this, putting these lines here on the high and low of the opening 5-minute candle. Now I'm going to drop down to the 1-minute chart to see if an entry opportunity is provided on either one of these pairs. Dollar yen looks like it is going to fade out of the screen there. Okay. Alright, I'll walk you through what I'm seeing here on dollar yen. So dollar yen here on the daily chart, we can see this is yesterday's candle here, and then this is day before yesterday's candle. Yesterday's candle trades below day before yesterday and then closes inside the range here. Then also price trades above the high of day before yesterday and gives a body candle close. So showing a buy side drawn liquidity. And with that, we can see here on the 1-hour chart, we've got price sweeping the swing low here. Got price trading into this bullish fair value gap here. And then it's also possible price could trade below this swing low here. So I'll keep on price action and see what it does, but ideally I want to see price come up here and give some body candle closes above this opening 5-minute candle high right here in order to take an entry. Let's head over to Kiwi dollar. Kiwi dollar setting up the opposite here, where this is yesterday's candle, this is day before yesterday's candle. We have yesterday's candle trading above the high of day before yesterday's candle, but then closing inside the range of day before yesterday's candle. Price action also trades below the low of yesterday's, day before yesterday's low, and gives a body candle close below that. So this will give me a sell side drawn liquidity. Here on the hourly chart, you can see price pull back, trade into this bearish fair value gap right here. And then you can see that fair value gap being respected here in this candle as well. And then you can see price deliver here to the sell side and consolidate here. Price now trading within this bullish fair value gap, and price pulling back from that. So what we want to see here on the 1-minute chart is for price to give some body candle closes below this level here in order for me to be able to take an entry. So I'll keep an eye on price action here and see if it provides any opportunities during today's New York AM session here. I can see price action here. Trading here to the sell side, putting up some equal highs back here behind it, so price is likely going to return. There is some liquidity here, so price is likely going to return to sweep that more than likely. I'll be be switching back and forth here. You can see price delivering to the buy side a bit here, but still quite a ways to go. Here on dollar yen. And we can see Kiwi dollar pulling back, sweeping out that liquidity that I just mentioned here. Now that liquidity's been swept. Took a trade in London on this pair and lost. You can see here price. This was, I believe, something like this. It was very close to where the opening range for London is. Very close to it now. But let's say this is what it is, which would be the exact same thing. You get price here trading below a second time. I put my stop loss here and then got taken out here. So we'll see if New York is the trade. So there is some liquidity right here. Still have a ways to go, if ever, with dollar yen. So keep the main target right now being Kiwi dollar. Kiwi dollar currently trading inside the range. Mostly consolidating here, in and above the range currently. So we'll see if price has any continuation to the sell side. If so, I'm going to target this sell side liquidity pool right here at the low of yesterday's candle. Price still currently inside the opening 5-minute range. Seeing some sell side delivery here. There is also the possibility for price to reach down into this liquidity pool here. Back to dollar yen. Dollar yen just hanging out dangerously close to falling off the edge here. If you look at this price action here, just all sell side. Both pairs now resisting going to any type of target. Seeing a return to sell side perhaps here on Kiwi dollar. But with that, it's left some liquidity right here, so it'll be coming back to this level here to sweep that up. And now that liquidity has been swept, that was here, it's been swept out. Still consolidating here. At least it's put up relatively equal highs, but good. This high is separating itself, but it's got to clear this high. Now this high can sell unless it comes up to this high, then, which it might do here. Then it'll have to break this level as well. Take a look at dollar yen and see if it's fallen off its cliff yet. So yep, dollar yen's falling off its cliff now, so it's taking out that swing low. So we'll see if it wants to redeliver to the buy side here, even though it just may completely fail. You can see price action is now trading down here into this bullish fair value gap. See dollar yen pulling back more aggressively as well. Seems like these want to do everything except for deliver into price here. So just sweeping out liquidity here. And some serious buy side delivery here on Kiwi dollar. Getting some consolidation here. Looks like dollar yen has a little more room to the sell side. There it goes. It may be trading for this rebalance point here. Seeing a potential return to sell side here in Kiwi dollar. And buy side delivery. Be interested to see if this even provides an entry. Doesn't look like it's gonna want to. Right now, Kiwi dollar pulling back into the zone of yesterday's candle, daily candle. Now seeing some sell side delivery coming in. And back to buy side. So price only pulling back to take the next leg higher. And there's some liquidity here, so I anticipate price to return to that level. Then we'll see if price continues to the buy side or follows through with sell side delivery. But I am anticipating the low of this candle here to be swept. price approaching this liquidity here for a sweep. Price moving pretty slowly today, but after the FOMC from yesterday, I would imagine the way that things traded yesterday and the way that they're trading today are related to that. It seems like the FOMC weeks, the market can usually be pretty hung up Monday through Wednesday, or Tuesday and Wednesday. Then things open up maybe Wednesday afternoon, and then Thursday and Friday things are a lot like Monday or Tuesday, when they're not the cleanest type of price action, or a lot of things moving in consolidated price action. Up over to $yen. Dollar yen just completely here, and trading into that rebalance point as I mentioned. We'll see if price now wants to redeliver to the buy side. But both of these pairs breaking the speed limit, trying to get away from their trade bias here. I'm going to let this price action play out. If it does, entries are looking doubtful for what I'm doing here today. But if you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Stay on tilt, never emotional. We'll see you next time.